But before you can solve any maths, first of all, you have to understand what the question is all about. Understanding how the question make you to be able to solve it. Don't just see a question and start solving. No, you have to understand the order of operation. How can this question be solved? So if you have 9 times 0 plus 5 equals 2, so if you see this kind of question, if you should rush it, you will fail woefully. You know, you would get any correct answer. So you have to be careful, understand what the question is all about and how to tackle the question and formula you should use to tackle the question. So when you see this kind of question, so what you're supposed to do first of all is to work on the multiplication sign before the addition sign. So we'll not say that. Now some people will just come up and say the answer is 0. You get, you fail it. So we multiply. So when we multiply, that means 9 times 0, which will give us 0. Now the next step to follow is addition. What we're supposed to do now is, this is just simple math that most people fail if time is not taken. Now we have to plus this to this. Therefore, we have now 5 plus 0, which will give us 5. Are you getting it? So we are moving on to the second question. This question may look so long, but easy inside. So we have one question to be, we have 10 brackets minus 5 bracket close times bracket 2. So don't panic, it's actually simple, plus 3 bracket close. Now you see this kind of question now, some people will rush. This math looks so long, but inside is very simple. We have that, we have 1 bracket here, 2 brackets here. We first work on this bracket first. So what we will say that solution now, we have this bracket. So what we're supposed to do, first of all, work on the minus brackets. That is to say 10 minus 5 bracket close is equals to unknown. So we say that we remove bracket, we now have 10 minus 5, which will give us what? 5. Are you getting now? Now what we're supposed to do again, we'll now work on this one that has plus. Now remember, we have times and we have plus. So we'll now say that for the brackets now, we say the second bracket, 2 plus 3 bracket equals to unknown. Hope you are following. So we have that this and this, which is this plus this, we have brackets now. Remove the bracket, 3, 2 plus 3, which will give us 5. Now what come again is the multiplication sign. We multiply, which will now have that, we now have this and this, which is 5 times this 5 times 5, which will give us what? Who knows the answer? It will give us 25. So final answer equals to 25.